Well, here's all the tools that I use to start my projects on our woodworking on the business I'm trying to start up here. I got an air compressor, and I got a table saw, and a band saw, an orbital sander, a die grinder sander, and I got a square, and I got a chop saw. And here's the most important thing you should wear. Always wear protection so you don't get hurt. Safety glasses, dust protection, cover your face. And here's all the patterns that I use to cut out what I'm making is a rocket airplane. Once I'm finished, I will make another video when I'm making. That 2x12 that I use to cut this whole airplane out. And this pattern here for the rocker is this part right here. This back piece in the seat is a pattern for this. And this is gonna be the wings. The wings with the handles on it where you put your hands in. And if you like this video, let me know. Send me a like and a comment down below. And I will see you in the next video. And have a good day.